Welcome everyone. In this lesson, we're going to go through taking an existing project and turning it into a PWA, or progressive web app. And it only takes a few steps to get it set up. First, we'll go into our PWA settings right here in the studio and fill out the details of our manifest file, our service worker, and our install prompt flow. And then we'll decide on the method that we would like to prompt our users to do the installation. There's three primary ways to do that. One of them is with an install page like this, which is a page template you can just drop right into any project. The second method is with a pop-up like this one. And the third method is with a banner like this one at the bottom here. All three methods work great, and we'll show you how to set them up. So let's jump in. In my project, I'm going to start by going to the Publish menu and choosing Set up Progressive Web App. We'll need to fill in some information about our app. So we'll fill in our app name, the app short name, enter a description, and choose our start URL. So the start URL is where the users will be directed to when they open the app by tapping it on their home screen after it's been installed. So typically that'll be the main app page of your project. On the right side, we have our display settings. The display type lets you choose from 4 options. Most of the time you're going to want to use standalone, which will make your project feel much more like a native mobile app by removing the controls from the browser. Next, you'll upload your app icons. You do want to make sure that these are perfectly square images, and preferably exactly 192 pixels by 192 pixels, and a second one that's 512 by 512. That will ensure that the icons appear properly on all different devices. You'll select your background color and your theme color. Those apply to create things like splash screens and the default colors of the areas around your app on the mobile device. So for instance, the space below and above the actual viewable area of the app is dictated by the theme color. A Bildr automatically creates splash screens based on what you've applied here. So there's no need to worry about creating different images for different size screens. Bildr takes care of all that for you. Once you've filled out all this information, just click Create Manifest File. Once it's finished, you'll see the check mark on the web manifest file, and you're done with that step. Next, we'll go into the Service Worker tab. And in here, you just need to select the pages that you want to be cached and accessible for your users when they're inside the app. In my case, it's a single page app. It's literally just the /app route that I care about. So I'm just going to click Create Service Worker File. And that's really all there is to it for getting started. Now, with those two things set up, if we go preview the app, we'll be able to see in the URL bar that the user can install the app. So let's take a look. Preview, go to our homepage. So you can tell that all the settings are correct because we have this new button here in the URL bar. And if I click it, it'll allow me to install this as a desktop app. The same thing will happen on different mobile devices and different browsers on mobile devices. But sometimes you want to tell the user in a clearer way that they can install the app. So in our next lesson, we'll go through setting up an install page that you can direct people to understand the benefits of your app. We'll also set up a pop-up prompt to prompt them to install the app, and set up a banner you can use to show them that they can install your app. So make sure to go to the next lesson and check it out. Thanks for watching.